Hello and welcome back to BubblySuds. Today's video is going to be just a short video. I'm going to talk about and I'm going to attempt to show you how to combine calculated shipping, how to set it up for your Etsy shop. I signed up and I did the Etsy because I was new to Etsy. And I was just wondering, like, why I'm not getting any sales on Etsy. On other sites, like my Facebook and everything else, I'm getting my sales, but not on Etsy. Until somebody had told me that my shipping is really expensive and that they were going to be charged per package. So we're going to go in there and I'm going to do my best to show you how to do the calculated shipping. Okay, so Etsy allows you to input all your information. Okay, let me show you. Let's go to Shop Manager. This is for anybody that is new to Etsy. So I just went in there. So I'm going to go over here to my listings, and I will just we'll click on here because this one is the candy cane is the first one that's there. So you'll upload all your pictures and do all your information. Go down to shipping. You do your prices, you fill out all the information. So when it comes time to do your shipping, you have a choice. You can, as you see, I have already calculated how many business days it's going to be. I've named the group, so my bar soaps are in one, bath bombs, and then I've got another for hair for like the shampoo and things like that. So that way there, as soon as I'm done filling out everything that I need to do, then I just have to, if I want, I can click on here. Or I can rename a new one. So let's see. So as you see, I can say I wanted something new. Then I can fill out, for example, I could do 1 to 3 business days, but I'm doing 1 business day that, will help with sales. Now, I don't have to fill all of this out because if I was uploading another listing for the bar soap, I would just click on here and handling fee 0. Now, if I wanted to make this, say I was uploading my candles, then I would just click on save as a delivery profile and I could put candles. That way there, it's already listed where I'm going to deliver to and my delivery processing time. And then the next time that I upload candles, I just have to click on candle and it's there. I don't have to worry about it. Okay, and then I have it set up that Etsy is going to take care of all the shipping calculations, the postage prices. Etsy takes care of that. It's less work for me and makes my life a lot easier right now. So let me move this over here for a minute. Now, I want to show you here. Now, what happens is, so let's say, I'm trying to reach my box. Okay, so what's going to happen is, let's say I've got my box here, and I've got all the weight, everything for 1 bar of soap to fit in here. I've got it all measured, and I have it set. You come along and my customer says, okay, I want to order 2 bars of soap or a bar of soap and a bath bomb. What Etsy's going to do is they're going to charge for 2 packages. I have been doing a lot of research and I found a couple videos to show me how to fix that, and I've just got my notes here. And then even then, from what I understand, is even doing it this way, Etsy still might get the shipping price wrong. So what you can do is once you get everything weighed, you get your shipping labels printed off, and say for some reason there's $2. Your customers paid $2 more. You can refund them that $2. And honestly, doing that will probably give you a return customer. So however you want to do that. So let's see. All right, so we are going to we are in the shop manager. We need to click on settings. And then we need to go on. Mine says delivery settings here. Yours might have shipping settings. So we'll click on that. Just leave. Okay. From there, we are going to go up here and we need to go to, this is the delivery proof. Oh, you know what? I'll show you this because this is what I did too. Also, is I signed up for the free delivery guarantee for $35. So if you see here, it says free delivery guarantee on items that are $35 or above, and that is 35 American. Or I'm in Canada, so it would be $42.99 Canadian. And I suppose that this number here, the $42.99, will change periodically because depending on the exchange rate. Okay, so I've done that. So let's go to package preferences. And as you see, I have none because I have not done this. So what we're going to do is add a package. Now I can name it. So I guess I'm going to call this one. So I have here, if you see the 6x9 bubble mailers, in here I can fit 1 high top soap or maybe 2 of the small low top soaps. Anything else, I will not ship bath bombs or candles or anything like that that can break. I will not ship in these. I do have the boxes. So we will put this one just in as, so we will go 6x9 bubble mailer. Bubble mailer. And I don't have to measure because the dimensions are already on the package in centimeters because it wants it in centimeters. So let's click on that. We've 22.8 and height. So even though it opens, and this would be the height, they want it as to go sideways as the length, and then this is the height. All right. 15.2. All right, and save. And that is that. Now, I really like these boxes that I got from Staples because one box can actually be used as 2 boxes, because I'm not sure if you can see, there is like an indent. It's indented all the way across. So all I would do is if I wanted it smaller, I would just cut the flaps off, cut down the seams a bit, and then this part here would then fold down. So then my box is only this big. And so what I will do is I will go through and I will add all two, and then I've got another one that's bigger, and again, it's going to be two different sizes, and it's already written on the box, so I don't have to do any measuring. I do that. Let's go to rates and upgrades. So, Canada Post solutions for small businesses. Connect a different account. No. Oh, so this one here, I've already done it. What it is either you can use the postal prices or the Etsy prices. So I've went with the Etsy because I don't have any other sites that I'm using. So I will go with Etsy's price of you get it discounted for their labels. Okay, so that is there. Delivery upgrades. Yep. And then so I have it it's enabled. So that gives your customers more options on if they want to upgrade their delivery. So once that is done, then we will go to postage label options. So dispatching from. So what I need to do is go through here. We got BubblySuds. We've got, then we'll put all in the, now for me, it's going to be the manufacturing address. Everything is on, that's on my soap. So I will fill all that out. Then we've got downloading labels. Okay, so now if you have like one of those thermal label printers, then you would want to click on the format my labels, the 4x6 label printers. But for me, I'm just using a regular printer. So I'm going to click on here, group my labels 2 per page. That way it's not taking up one big full sheet because I don't want to put a big full sheet on here. So if it's half the sheet, I can cut it and put it on. And then that way I get 2 per sheet. Okay, let's go down some more. Let's see. International custom forms. Now, pre-fill item description with my listing title, or we have used the same description for all my items. Now, all my items are different, so I'm going to click here so that it comes from my listing title. Let's see what's up here. Yeah, so we're going to do like that. Pre-filled calculated postage label. We can pre-fill labels for calculated dispatching orders. Yes, so this will go for the combined. So yes, I want them to do that. And like I said, if there is a discrepancy, then you can always refund any money. Now we got default label presets. Okay, so for the default label presets, it says that it does say that it's helpful to do if you are selling something that is consistently the same size and the same weight. For the most part, yeah, I mean, if somebody was to order one, but if somebody was to then order candle, and so mine is going to be different. So I will not need to do that part. Okay, so let's save this. All right, so that is it. I hope that you found that helpful. So if you have any other questions, just leave me a comment down below. Ask your question, and I will get back to you and help you out as much as I can possibly help you. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button.